Welcome to the fascinating world of traffic signals. Tonight we are going to be flying some mast arms here on University Avenue in Oxford, Mississippi. We're right out front of the OBs, and we got 4 poles to get installed, and then I'm bailing out on the crew, and then they gotta take care after without me. So let's make it happen. Let's get right into it. Let's get these mast arms hung. All right, so this guy here is the first one I want to do that's going to go over University Avenue. May as well knock out a couple of the hard ones first. The one across the street here, straight across near the OBs over there, that may be blocking the existing head, so there's going to be work after we need to do. So you're going to try to do that one last, then I'm going to leave my guys, but we'll knock out this guy. And then if traffic dies down enough and not a lot of people are turning in, we'll knock out this one. May have to clear up the tree limbs here. Don't tell anybody. They get upset about that stuff. And then the one across, that should be another pretty simple one to install. Right now he's getting that bucket truck in just close enough. And then we can get set up to go aerial. Guys, we've been asking for the cold, and you ask and you shall receive. It's cold enough to put the bibs on, jacket on, but not that cold. Hell yeah, brother, you're already ready for the woods. Oh, yeah. Looking great. Hey, Hayden, yeah. Go ahead and find a safety harness and get it strapped on. Probably just gonna go ahead. Is there still some water in it?
Yeah, I emptied it out and it was empty and some water.
Yeah, there's probably some water in between the liner and some, and then a hole in the liner. But try to pull the liner out too. That would help. But after that, find a harness. Probably gonna have you go up first and everything. I'd prefer to be on the ground for the 2 going over the road. Make sure we get up high enough, and then I can control it as we swing out. And probably just have Cody on the digger. So, and then them 2, make a sponge or something. I really ain't got a good plan for them 2, but it is what it is. Latches. There's a good controller in here. Is that a vehicle? That a vehicle? Let's see, we got. Just gonna do that. So this is the switch. Pretty much when it's on runner normal. Damn, this fucking door all broken up. But whenever it's on runner normal, yeah, the intersection is gonna keep cycling. Yeah, flip that one. Yeah, light on. Well, it's coming on. Pretty much other switches you don't want to mess with. Don't mess with these call switches. Yeah. For any of the vehicle detection. If you turn this off, then the controller goes off, intersection goes in flash. This up, intersection goes in flash. The real switch we're just trying to deal with here is just the stop time one. And pretty much anytime you put it into stop time, it's going to say a lockout stop time. And none of your time's going to be counting down. Nothing's going to be changing. You flip it down, comes back out. Okay. But whenever we get set up and ready, I'll come actually get over into it. So just kind of halfway close this for right now. You can leave the light on. It don't matter. We'll be working in and out of it tonight. All right, y'all start helping him unstrap the pole. Hey, and where's that rope at?
Which one?
Oh, the one I had a second ago. Hey, Cody, is that rope up there for the tack? No, that looks like a chain. I'll put it up on the bucket. I see it. $20 more seconds. You're gonna hear me yell a lot. I'm just gonna yell your name for the most part, Andrew or Russell or whatever. I'm just gonna scream one or the other. And that way, you'll just know to take it out. All right, cable up. Keep on coming with it, brother. Hold that. Hey, where's Logan at?
You wouldn't get hard at.
All right, swing around.
Hey, both washers are on the back, right? No.
No, washer on the face of the bolt and then a washer on the nut too. Man, I think you're on the auger right now, but keep coming, keep coming. 2 out.
Hey, in my pocket.
Swing left. Hold that. Boom down a little bit. Hold that. All right, Hayden, start working your shit in there. Logan, inside this pole, as he's feeding it down, you're gonna be reaching up there trying to grab it and help him pull down and get that ground cable straight. Just toss it on the back of that truck for right now. A little bit. I hold that.
Hey, pull that ground cable.
Pull the ground cable. That's that bare copper.
Fuck, it ain't going.
Hey, Hayden, you got to get it untangled from whatever you got it tangled with. Yeah, go ahead, get a bolt in that thing. Do what? Oh yeah, there you go. That was like the softest headache ever. Speak with your chest.
Yeah, it was soft, but you knew it was coming.
Warn them. They didn't know it was coming. Throw it at them next time and scream headache. Hey, just when you're swinging back, watch that head behind you. Go down and then over. Quick. I'm gonna get here. All right, go ahead. All right, hard hat and jump off the truck. Keep coming, cable up some more. All right, go ahead and start swinging around.
You want me to do that?
Nope. Just get ready to catch cable. Hold that. Go ahead and boom, our 2 out. Hold that, boom left. All right, Andrew. All right, Cody, 2 out a little bit for me. Yeah, there's other cables coming from underground. Just reach up, grab whatever's coming up, or from the top side down.
Pull this black cable.
All right, look, put your foot, get it tight down, and then put your foot down on it. And then just try not to pull too much. Hey, feed it to me, the black cable.
Feed it to him.
I keep that, yeah, hey, boom left a little bit. Watch your hands. Hold that. All right, boom down a hair. Hold that. Hold that. That's one, that bottom one of the one you just put in. You're gonna have to put the bolt in and try to slam it back a little bit, and then it'll go in that hole. All right, we got some makeshift traffic control going on. this one. Damn entrances. McDonald's closes pretty late. I need that cone, Andrew. That's right there.
I was gonna hold on this brake.
It ain't going too far. At least we got tension on it. Cable down first. Hey, grab that hook. See, look, man, you gotta, when you do it, one, you need more ground cable coming out.
Oh, I didn't put it like that. All I did was tape it.
But even then, so when you tape it, right here's a hard edge as he's trying to push through, and everywhere that can get hung up, it'll get hung up. So yeah, you wanna tape it up nice and neat, go past the end of the cable to where you'll see it kind of taper down at, go onto the ground cable, and then come back to the cable. And then you can pop it off. Now it's kind of a little tapered edge instead of a super hard edge. Just a little bit of limbs. Ooh, I went too fast. Two out. Just keep tuning out. Hold that. Boom left. Hold that. Fucking tree, brother. Hand on it. All right, we'll stretch a little bit, brother. Hold that. Is the cable pinched or what's the hold up?
You got it?
Okay. We have to get this thing past the truck because that span wire is going to be in the way. All right, swing left. Ooh. Nope. Good, and 3 in. Hold that, cable up. He's gonna be coming with that truck in a second, and I need him to get pulled in when it does. Backed up into this, cable up. Two in and boom up, same time. Boom left. Hold that. All right, 2 out. I hold that. Hey, boom up and cable down, or just boom up for right now. All right, 2 out. I hold that. Just don't touch nothing for a moment. Hey, want to back up more. Yeah. But, boy, I kissed that head. That sounded a little wrong, guys.
I think it's gonna be in the way.
Do what? Yeah, he may not have to. towards the road. I don't know. We're all figured out. Hey, brother, try your best not to walk underneath the load, especially, again, no hard hats and stuff like that. In there.
Oh, I got a light, so when it comes down, I can see it, and I'll grab it real quick.
Hey, move it around, pull it around a little bit. Pulling a cable up, so you can't have any splices in the like video detector cables. All right, boom right. So that's pulling a cable up, and then a future. Hold that. Hey, 2 out. Hold that. Boom right a little bit. Hold that. Cable up. Hold that. Boom right. Hold that. All right, get a bolt somewhere. Yeah. Boom down a hair, Cody. Hold that. Cable up. All right, guys, all 4 mast arms are set and complete. I am out of here because we are headed to Utah and I'm gonna go hang out with the guys with Wavetronics for a little bit. So y'all stay tuned for those videos. Appreciate y'all. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching.